I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market today. Soybeans really dropped hard. Traders are positioning themselves ahead of the USDA report coming this Friday at the end of the week. The overall sentiment by farmers is that prices really aren't going to change much for 2018. And so they expect the futures just to be choppy throughout. And I think a few of the traders really just started to let go of some of their long positions, and it kind of put some pressure on the market. There is a support number at 955, but we're very close to that. If we start to test that, there's going to be some challenges to be had. But certainly we're going to be waiting for the report to come in at the end of the week. Corn was also down. The futures really broke out of that tight range that it had been in for quite a while, and it's testing possibly a new low since mid-December. Again, we're close to our lows that if we get any follow-through selling, we would really break out from a number that we hadn't seen in quite some time. Traders just seem to be losing a little bit of confidence going forward and sending those futures below that 350 mark, certainly on the March contract. The new crop also was a little bit lower, but it's still holding its own somewhat. The market is vulnerable to some follow-through selling, so we're going to watch that closely. Wheat was kind of mixed, and then it got a little bit lower. There has been warmer weather, and crop damage uncertainty really has the market moving back and forth, and it's the futures are bouncing up and down a little bit. Now they're a little bit lower right now, but Kansas City wheat has been relatively strong and kind of holding the market up. Overall, the short-term trend is a little bit higher, but technically, there is also that buying. But the world wheat supply is still very, very large, and at some point, when that information comes back in, that should put some pressure on the market. The strong short-term bullish trend is in control right now and kind of pushing the market up. But there is the worries that we might be a little bit overbought here right now, and so if the market starts to react to that, there could be some profit taking and really put a little bit more pressure on that market. But there's going to be choppy trades certainly for the rest of the week before this report. That's all from the floor at the CME Group. From here in Chicago, I'm Virginia McGathey.